Hit the subscribe button, hit that notification so you're notified of when we upload new video content, because it's always going to be on a regular basis. You're on the first to view, first to like, first to comment, first to share, and all that good stuff there. Okay, so basically to use your initiative, whether you're a man or a woman, it just means to begin. Yeah? You have to understand what the word actually means. It just means to begin. Yeah? So it's just beginning to use your mind to do whatever. Yeah? So, in a nutshell, yeah, I mean, it depends what scenario you're in. Now, if it's in a scenario where a woman's telling you to use your initiative and you're a man, dismiss whatever she is telling you to use your initiative about. Dismiss it. You ain't got to listen to that woman. I don't care if she's your woman. Don't care if she's your wife. I don't care. You are the man. Now, you tell her to use her initiative. Do you understand? But anyway, the reality is this, right? When you are within your nature, yeah, as a man or as a woman, you will naturally know how to use your initiative based on, your nature as either a man or a woman. Simple, yeah? In any case scenario. So what I recommend that you do is you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Akabunon Trust. When you do that, you get access to online courses such as roles and relationships, and that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself. If you're a man watching this, how to develop yourself as a pure thoroughbred alpha male, and if you're a woman watching this, you'll develop yourself as a pure feminine woman. All right, so if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.